Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Sohas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today I am back again with a fantastic brilliant poetry. This time this is composed by Kalidasa, none other than the great Kalidasa. Fantastic brilliant poetry. So this is quite a rare poem. Many probably know and many probably don't know. Anyway, I wanted to share it for the benefit of who don't know. So that is it. As usual, I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. This is about Kalidasa versus Rekha. We'll come to not the Hindi film actress Rekha. Anyway, it's a brilliant poetry. We'll come to know what it is about, what this brilliant poetry is about. Kalidasa versus Rekha Shloka. I want to put it like that. So here it goes like this. As usual, I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those interested, please take snapshot and mug up and teach us. Enjoy the poetry and teach others also. Those already know well and good. Here I go. Kalidasa versus Rekha Shloka. So Kalidasa is asking a small little cute child, a lass, a young lass. So he is asking, Katvam Bala, who are you? Young lass, who are you? Katvam Bala, she replies, Kanchanamala. Brilliant alliteration is coming out in this poem. Katvam Bala, Kanchanamala, Kasya Putri Kanakalataya. किं ते हस्ते तालीपत्रं कावारेखा काखा गाघा. Brilliant, fantastic poetry to teach a cute little child. So this we will examine the meaning now. Katvam Bala, Kalidasa is asking the cute little child, who are you, my dear child, cute little lass, who are you? Katvam Bala. She replies, Kanchanamala, my name is Kanchanamala. Kasya Putri. Then again, Kalidasa asks, he is teaching Sanskrit to this little girl child. Kasya Putri, he is asking. So, who is your mother? Or whose daughter are you? Kasya Putri, whose daughter are you? She replies, Kanchanamala. My mother's name is Kanchanamala, she replies. So, she is Kanakalata, her mother's name is Kanchanamala. Then Kalidasa again asks, Kimte haste, what is it is holding in your hand? Kimte haste, Tali patram, she replies, Tali patram. In those olden days, ancient days, people not having books, they used to have palm leaves. They used to write on that and study the scriptures on that. All the works on that only. Palm leaves books were popular at that time. So, Kimte haste, what is it in your hand? She replies, Tali Patram, palm leaves. So then, Kava Rekha, what are these lines? So here you come to know what are these lines. Rekha means lines, not Hindi film actress Rekha. What are these lines? Kava Rekha, Ka Ka Ga Gha. She replies, the cute little child replies, Ka Ka Ga Gha. She is just learning the alphabets of Sanskrit. So replies, she is writing Ka Ka Ga Ga. Fantastic, brilliant poetry, isn't it? This is composed by the great Kalidasa. So we will examine the meaning and enjoy the meaning also. So we'll just recite this wonderful, brilliant poetry by Kalidasa again and then wrap up this video. My dear friends, Kalidasa versus Rekha. This is a funny way I put the heading for this shloka. So it goes like this. Katvam Bala Kanchanamala Kasya Putri Kanakalataya Kimte Hastam Tali Patram Kava Rekha Kaka Gagha. So the rhyming words, rhyming alliterations. Kimte Haste Tali Patram Kava Rekha Kaka Gagha. Fantastic, brilliant poetry, isn't it, my dear friends? Just to teach a little child is using this poem. So in the next upcoming video we will take up more such fantastic brilliant poetry in Sanskrit and then examine the meaning and enjoy the meaning. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Tepe signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Chennai, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 876231815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Sati. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.